Pangit na mukha.
Siya muna. Kaya, kaya.
Tingin naman dyan, Machete.
Tingin naman. Happy tayo. Click 5 yan.
If I could, then I would. I'll go wherever you go. Way up high or down low.
Nakakulong naman eh. Tanga ba ako? Tres ako sa mat, try go. Galing.
Gusto mo photographer?
To watch you guide you through the darkest of your days.
It shall fall and the fall upon the soul. But I hope there's someone out there who can bring me back to you.
If I could, then I would. I'll go
Lahat yung boses mo malalim.
go down low. I'll go wherever you will go.
One away daw. One away. Ubusin mo na.
Hello, palabo?
Hindi yan.
I know now, she's quiet now.
Palabok, ubusin mo na.
Huli ka.
Panalo.
Jun.
Panalo.
If I could,
Hindi yan yung sa akin.
Wag, para hindi marinig ng kapitbahay.
wherever you will go, way up high or down low, I'll go wherever you will go. If I could turn back time, I'll go wherever you will go. If I could make you mine, I'll go wherever you will go.
Sige, para tapos na.
I'll go wherever you will go.
Langoy lang, alam mo.
Sarap naman, di ba?